Today, we're diving into some of the hottest rumors swirling around the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. If you've been following the leaks, you've probably noticed there's a lot of hype about some big changes, especially in the design and user interface. So let's get right into it. Recently, the well-known leaker Ice Universe dropped some mock-ups of the Galaxy S25 Ultra running Samsung's new One UI 7, and it seems like Samsung is really stepping up its game. The design has a much more streamlined vibe this time around, and you can clearly see some influences from iOS. Pretty interesting, right? One of the coolest features from the mock-ups is the new control center. It's looking super slick, with a split notification panel, rounded corners, and a transparent background. It's definitely got that modern, stylish look that users are going to love. But just to keep in mind, these are still just mock-ups, so things could change before the official release. Before this, we had seen some physical design hints from earlier dummy units. But now, we're also getting a clear idea of how the software side is shaping up. The revamped control center is a standout feature, making things like accessing notifications and settings way more intuitive. The app drawer, home screen, and even the battery indicator are also getting fresh updates to fit the new vibe. And for all you camera lovers out there, the camera app is getting a redesign too. Samsung is moving key controls to the bottom of the screen, making them easier to reach for those spontaneous photography moments. One of the biggest highlights, though, has to be the new Quick Settings panel. Samsung is giving it a 4x2 layout, so you can quickly access 8 essential toggles. Need more? You can expand it to 16 toggles, super convenient, right? Another exciting change is with volume controls, now sitting alongside key screen settings. This makes adjusting your sound so much easier, without jumping around the interface. And if you're into smart devices, Samsung's Smart View feature will now be more accessible, making it a breeze to connect to smart TVs and other devices. So, overall, it looks like One UI 7 is not just about under-the-hood improvements, but also a complete visual revamp. Longtime Samsung fans might need some time to get used to these changes, but it's definitely looking exciting. What do you think of these layout changes coming in the One UI 7 update? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates on the Galaxy S25 Ultra and other tech news. Hit that like button if you found this video helpful, and I'll see you all in the next one. Until then, take care and stay awesome.